Do you like our puppy? Do you see how easily and quickly you can draw him? I suggest that we color him now. By the way, at the end of the video, I will tell you some very interesting facts about dogs, so stay until the end.
He looks like my cousin Sand.
Did you know that dogs have an incredible sense of smell? They can smell things much better than humans can, which is why they're often used to help find lost people or even detect certain medical conditions. Dogs wag their tails to show how they feel. A fast wagging tail usually means they're happy, and a tucked tail might mean they're scared or unsure. Baby dogs are called puppies. They're super cute and need lots of love and care, just like human babies.
How much you know? Yes, all this is true. Tell me more.
Dogs love to sleep. They can sleep a lot, especially when they're puppies. They often find comfy spots to curl up and take a nap. Dogs are often called man's best friend because they are loyal and love to be with people. They make great companions and can be really good listeners.
It was very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you, Chico. Thanks to you kids too for staying until the end of today's video. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. If you learned something new, please like and share the video.
Wait, what are we going to draw next?
I don't know, Chico. I suggest you let the kids choose. We're going to run a poll in the community page. Goodbye, friends, and see you in the next video.
Okay, may I suggest an elephant or a giraffe or maybe a crocodile? No, let's draw a little pig. That would be very cute.
Chico, the kids will choose. Otherwise, I like your ideas. Thanks.